Cracking of the joints is never harmful, but sometimes it occurs due to the nitrogen bubbles blasting out in your synovial fluid. Cracking of the joints sometimes occurs, which is not harmful, but sometimes injuries may occur because of overdoing it frequently. This may cause injury or ligament tear. Cracking of the joints sometimes will decrease your finger grip. So I always suggest avoid cracking of the joints and increase the exercises that will improve your finger grip. Cracking of the joints in your neck and back will never ever strain you, but this may have evidences that can contribute to your disc degeneration. Cracking of your joints may also occur due to vitamin C deficiency. So we always recommend a vitamin supplements after 40 plus.